Hello friends, welcome to Vidyutech. This is Sai Prakash. This video is all about squaring a number in 2 seconds friends. Friends, till now I have taken base 10, base 20 and base 100. In this video I would like to take base 40. Friends, in the each video I am going to explain you in the another way. So please follow the classes regularly and watch this video until the end of the session. Friends, coming to the base 40. Okay, let me take 38 squares, okay, which is near to base 40. Okay, I am going to do 38 square in the method 1 friends. Okay, coming to method 1, I am going to take base 40, 38 cross 38. Okay, here I am going to subtract taken number and 40. Okay, taken number minus base. Okay, I will get minus 2. Make sure the sign friends, sign is very important. Okay, and I am going to subtract taken number minus base. Again I will get minus 2. Okay, and then I am going to multiply these two. Minus 2 into minus 2. I will get 4. 38 minus 2. I will get 36 plus 36. 38 minus 2. I will get plus 36. Now I am going to multiply 36 with the base 40. 36 cross 40. 6 4s are 24 and 2 will be coming to the carry, so that 1440. Okay, this is the value of 36 into 40. Okay, and again I have to add this 4 to 1440. So I will get 1444. Okay, rather than multiplying 36 with the base 40, I can just multiply with the 4. 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, and I have to leave one digit because for the 40 or for the base you have only 1 0. I have to leave one digit and I have to add 4. 1444. This is the square of 38 square. I am going to do same 38 square in the method 2 friends. Okay, coming to method 2, a plus b whole square. We know this, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Make sure the pattern friends. Okay, you have to follow in this pattern only. Okay, don't interchange the terms. 38 square. I am going to split 38 into two parts, taking the first value as a, second value as b. So I will get a equal to 3 and b equal to 8. Okay, a square means 3 square. 3 square equal to 9. 2 cross a cross b. 2 cross 3 into 8. 2 cross 3 cross 8. Coming to b square equal to 8 square. That is equivalent to 64. So 2 cross 3 equivalent to 6. 6 cross 8. 6 cross 8 is 48. 64. Here comes the 9. Okay, on the right side you have only one digit, or you can simply say b is having one digit. So I have to take only one digit. So 4. And I am forwarding this carry 6 to 48. So I will get 54 because 48 plus 6 equal to 54. 4. And I am forwarding this 5 to 9. I will get 5 plus 9, that is equivalent to 14. See, 1444, 1444. You can do by any of the method friends. Okay. Friends, we have other playlist also. Please go through the links in the description below. Friends, coming to the squaring a number in 2 seconds with base 40. Previously I have taken 38 square. Okay. Now I am going to take 44 square. with the base 40. This is method 1 friends. Okay, 40 base 44 cross 44, which is 44 square. Okay, I am subtracting taken number minus base. Okay, I will get plus 4. 44 minus 40 plus 4. And I am going to subtract 44 minus base. I am going to get plus 4. Okay, make sure the sign friends, sign is very important. Okay, plus 4 plus 4. And then I am going to multiply these two. 4 cross 4, I will get 16, which is of positive. Okay, again 44 plus 4, I will get 48 plus 48. Again 44 plus 4, I will get plus 48. And then I am going to multiply 48 with 40. Okay, 4 8 is 32, 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 1920. And I am going to add 16 directly to the 1920. I will get 1936, which is the square of the 44. Rather than multiplying 48 with the base 40, I can just multiply with the 4. 48 times 4, I will get 192. By leaving one digit over here, I am going to add 16 to the number. Okay, I will get 1936. Same, because 0 plus 6 is equivalent to 6. I am just taking the 6 over here directly by leaving the digit over here. Okay, friends, coming to the method 2. Okay, I am going to do same 44 square in the method 2. Okay, we know the formula a plus b whole square, which is famous. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, you have to follow in this pattern only friends, don't interchange the terms. Okay, I am going to split 44 into two parts. First part value as a and second part value as b. Okay, now we will get a equal to 4 and b equal to 4. A square, that is 4 square, that is equivalent to 16. 2 cross a cross b, 2 cross 4 cross 4. B square, that is 4 square, equivalent to 16. 2 cross 4 equal to 8 and cross 4, that is equivalent to 32. 16 and 16 over here. Okay, I am going to take only one digit over here because b value is of only one digit, or you can say simply on the right side you are having only one digit. So I am taking 6 over here directly and I am forwarding this carry to here. 1 plus 32, you will get 33. Okay, I am taking 3 over here and I am going to forward this 3 to the 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 1936. You can do any of the method friends. Okay, upcoming videos you will know which method you have to follow. Okay, friends, I want you to do 42 square, 46 square and 48 square. Okay, using the same methods. Okay, using the method 1 and method 2. Please comment the answer in the comment box, or you can use the group link in the description below. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box, or you can use the group link in the description below. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video, and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video friends.